This is the DP13. This is a weighted, adjustable desktop phone stand that folds from LAMICALL. But wow, it's weighted. It's a good weight. That way, your phone stays put. DP13 user manual. Oh, here's a little phone stand. Very cool. You open it up. Oh, you got some height adjustment right here. There's a base right here. Some rubbers right here so it don't slide around. When you're done using it, you just put it down right there. When you want to use it, you open this up, lift this up, and put it right there. And you have a little base for this. Kick that out. You got rubber right here so that your phone is protected and it doesn't slide around. A nice rubber back here so your phone is protected and it don't slide around. You have adjustment right here. You have adjustment right here. And you have this to kick out to hold your phone. Here's a LAMICALL DP13. We got an iPhone 11 Pro Max right here. Put the phone on. It holds the phone nicely. You want to adjust the angle. You can put it down, put it low. There's a lot of adjustments. You can hang it low like that. Or you can put this up a little bit and have this at an angle like this. So you have a lot of different angles for your phone. Very cool. Super adjustable. Like this one, make sure to get the glare out of your face because you have so much adjustment. There's a place to have your charging cable so you can charge while you're using this on the phone mount. Here's my charging cable. I can charge my phone just like that while it's on the little phone mount. I can even tuck the cable back here or wherever you want. You can charge your phone while it's on the mount. That is simple. That is easy. You can also put your phone horizontal like this. This is the DP03 adjustable and it's weighted too. It has a good weight on it. This is the DP13 weighted base adjustable phone mount for your desktop. And this thing collapses so easy. You put this up, boom, like that. And it folds up. Folds up super easy. The LAMICALL DP13 phone mount. Super easy for vertical or horizontal orientation. You have a place right here for your charging cable so you can charge while using the phone mount. This thing is super adjustable. You have all these angles right here. Just this angle up and down. You can even extend this piece right here. So you have super adjustments. Very adjustable. And when you're done using it, just take off your phone, push this back here, push this thing in, and then slide it back down, and you are ready to go from LAMICALL. Oh, yeah.